Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to go through something that I use at work, and that is being able to spawn off another image using the exact same VM that I'm using now and a command line set of arguments. I use this as part of the build tool I built at work to spin off another image with a script that I handed as a command line argument to execute. But you can use this for any number of things. You could then have your images be able to communicate with each other either through files or through sockets or through some RESTful API, whatever you want. But in general, this is the capability you want. If you grab C environment command line first, and this is in any version of VisualWorks from 7.6 up and probably earlier, but it certainly works in 7.6 and up. And then you hand it an array of arguments, and the arguments you want to hand it are the image, and then here I'm handing it minus filen, but it could be any of the command line arguments that are appropriate for VisualWorks images. And then the thing that goes with that. So if it's a minus filen or minus do it, whatever you want. And then finally, external process fork your VM with the arguments. And that works across platforms. It'll work just as well here on this Mac that I'm doing the screencast on as it will on Windows, because I use this exact same procedure on Windows for the build tool at my place of work. So to show you a simple example of doing that, let's go here and we'll have a command line of transcript show 3 plus 4 print string. We'll grab the VM, we'll give it the args, visual.im minus do it, and the command, and then we'll just fork it off. So let's go ahead and do this. And you see the hourglass cursor here, because what we're doing is spinning up another image, and there it is. And if you look carefully at the end here, you see the 7. And now if we quit this image, the other one becomes responsive. So one of the things I've done in the scripts I have is at the end of every single one of these scripts that the builder does, it quits that script so that the driving image can go ahead and carry on in a linear fashion. Works very nicely, gives me nice reproducible results, and it's pretty easy to use. And this is really all you have to be able to do. The important part is this, where you can grab the VM you're already using instead of having to hard code something in there with a path. It's very simple. Make sure you're using the right VM for the platform you're already on. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.